Here's what you'll find in the box when you unpack your new Swift 5-person tent, plus a couple of quick tips and tricks to do at home, in the backyard or the shed to make it even quicker to set up next time you go camping. In the box you'll find your new Swift 5-person tent with its own integrated pole system, along with 2 additional telescopic poles for the front awning, 8 guy ropes and 16 pegs, plus the heavy duty transit bag. Start by laying your Swift tent down on the ground and unfolding the legs out like this. Unzip the front outer canvas door and the fly screen door. Pick up the frame and lift it upwards as you step inside the tent. Lock the 2 locking sides of the frame in place so that the tent freestands and you're halfway through your initial setup. Here are 3 quick tricks to make further setups of your tent as easy as possible. First, when you're packing your Swift tent away, roll up the front outer canvas door and fly screen door neatly and pin them in place. Attach the guy ropes to the 2 front and 2 rear rope attachment points. Then wind the ropes up and tie them off around themselves. Now tuck the rear ropes into this handy storage pouch. With the Swift tent set up, now it's time to season it. Give the tent a good soaking with a garden hose from the outside, paying particular attention to where the canvas is stitched together. This will let the cotton threads swell and fill in the tiny holes made by the kneader when the tent is sewn together. Let it dry completely and repeat 2 more times to completely waterproof your tent. Note that no other waterproofing is required. And finally, before you pack your Swift tent back down, neatly fold the front awning back over the roof of the tent to keep it out of the way of the doorway. Pack up is simply the reverse of setup. Unlock the 2 locking sections of the frame, fold the tent down flat, and then fold the legs back into itself, starting with the right hand side. Pack it away in the transit bag and it's ready for your next adventure.